Our company's continuous carbonization furnace is a high-efficiency and energy-saving industrial production equipment, suitable for producing various carbonized materials, such as charcoal, bamboo charcoal, and coconut shell charcoal. It adopts advanced automation control system, which can automatically complete all operations once the process parameters are set, reducing labor costs and management difficulties. During the operation, we also equip the device with multiple safety protection systems to ensure its safety and stability. The continuous carbonization furnace has many advantages, such as high efficiency, energy saving, environmental protection, and stability. It can produce high quality and reliable carbonized products with broad application prospects. Whether you are a charcoal plant, paper mill, bamboo and wood product factory, rubber plant, or flour mill, the continuous carbonization furnace can help you achieve automated and efficient production, improving your enterprise's production efficiency and market competitiveness.